Welcome. Today, let's make sure you never miss important updates or conversations under a post you care about on Facebook. With the latest Facebook app update for PC, enabling notifications for a specific post is now quick and straightforward. The first thing you need to do is open the Facebook app on your computer. Simply launch your web browser, head over to facebook.com, and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a moment to find the post you want to keep track of. You can spot this post by scrolling through your newsfeed, searching for a page or person, or visiting a specific timeline. Once you see the post that interests you, look for the three dots in the upper right corner of that post. Hover your mouse over these dots and click. This will reveal a drop-down menu packed with options for that post. From this list, find and select the option that reads, "Turn on notifications for this post." One simple click, and you're all set. Facebook will now notify you every time there's a new comment, reply, or relevant activity on that post. This is a great way to stay in the loop with ongoing discussions, especially for posts about breaking news, community questions, or important announcements from a page you follow. Remember, if you change your mind later, you can repeat these steps and choose to turn off notifications for the post, keeping your feed and alerts as focused as you want. To recap, open Facebook on your PC, find the post, click the three dots, and select Turn on notifications for this post. That's it. Now you'll never have to worry about missing out on conversations that matter to you. Try it out the next time something catches your eye, and stay connected with just a few clicks.